Welcome to MATLAB for ECE students. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the operations that can perform on matrices. To do this, first we are going to the MATLAB here. So first here we are writing the program in editor window. So open the editor window. So to open the new script file, so here we are using, this is the icon we have to use to open the new script file. Otherwise we can also go to new, here we can use script. So here we will be writing our program. So here we see that this is the current folder, this is the workspace, and this is the command window, and this is the editor window where we are writing the program. So here I have already copied the program, just pasting the program here. So this is the program that performs operation on matrices. So here CLC is used to clear the command window, and clear all is used to clear the workspace. Close all is used to close the figure window. And input is the command we use to enter the values, and whatever values we have entered, that values will be assigned to the variable here. So this text will be displayed. Then after this text, it will be waiting for the input values. So once we enter the values in the command window, the values will be assigned to B. So here this text will be displayed in the command window. So it will wait for the values for B. So once we enter the values, that will be assigned to B. And disk is the command that is used to display the text here. So whatever text we are writing, that text will be displayed when we use disk. And here this is, if you don't use single quotes, then it will display the value. So whatever value you get by size of A, so that values will be displayed by using disk command. So disk command is used for two purposes, either to display the text value or to display the values of a particular variable or particular operation. And here we can perform different mathematical operations on matrices. The first one is addition. So to perform addition, what is the condition here is matrix A and B should be of same size. If these two are not of same size, we cannot perform addition. And also to perform subtraction, the matrix A and B should be of same size. And we can also perform element by element multiplication. To perform element by element multiplication, first element of A should be multiplied with the first element of B. Second element of A is multiplied with the second element of B. Like that, each element by element multiplication will be performed by the using operation dot star. And we can also perform multiplication. To perform multiplication, the matrix A and matrix B in the inner dimensions should be same. Otherwise, the matrix multiplication cannot be performed. And also we can perform element by element division. So that is first element of A divided by first element of B, second element of A divided by second element of B, like that. So on fifth element by fifth element of B, like that. Each element by element multiplication can be performed by using the operation dot slash. And we can also perform the division. There are two types of divisions, that is left division and right division. To perform left division, we'll be using this left slash, and to perform right division, we'll be using right slash. So what is the difference here is, see here, if x is given, if x is the variable which is defined in the equation like this, x m is equal to b. To find the value of x, we have to use left division. Say the equation is given like this, mx is equal to b. So in that case, if you want to find out x, see here x location is on the right side. So that is why we are using right division. If x location is on left side, we have to use left division. So this is the difference between left division and right division. And then we also can display the identity matrix. To display the identity matrix, what is the keyword is I. I is the keyword that is used to display the identity matrix. So here the identity matrix is a square matrix. So we can give only one value. So this value will be taken as a row and column value. So both row and column value will be equal to 4. And to find out the transpose, what is that we have to use? A transpose. This single quote we use for transpose. And to find the matrix rank of a matrix, what is the keyword is rank is the keyword. Similarly, to find out the determinant, the keyword is det is the keyword to find out the determinant. And trace is the keyword to find the trace of a matrix A. And if you want to obtain the diagonal elements of matrix A, we have to use the keyword called diag. Diag is the keyword that extracts the diagonal elements of matrix A. And if you want to find the eigenvalues, the keyword for finding the eigenvalues is EIG is the keyword. To find out the inverse of a matrix, what is the keyword here is INS. So here you see, to display this text we are using, the text we are using in the single quote and use disp here. So this will display this text. And to display the value, what is that? We should not use any single quote. So here disp inverse of A. So what it will do, it will display the values of inverse of A. Then we are creating a random matrix. To create a random matrix, what is the keyword is rand. So here we are giving only one value means what? It is 5 cross 5 random matrix. So then to display the matrix, we are using disp here. And to obtain the upper triangle part of matrix, random matrix, then we have to use the keyword called trie u. E is used to obtain the upper triangular part. And if you want to obtain the lower triangular part of matrix, we have to use the keyword trial. And similarly, if you want to have the zeros, matrix with the zeros, so here we are writing how many rows and how many columns. So in this case, how many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. So we have to use percentage here to make any particular part of a part as a comment. So percentage is used for comment here. Then here we are displaying a matrix with all elements of 0 with 2 rows and 3 columns. And similarly, to obtain the matrix with all values as 1. So what is the keyword here is ones. So here we are giving only one value means what? The both rows and columns will be taking the same value. So like that we can create a matrix with ones. So after typing the program, what we have to do first, we need to save the program. Go here and save the program. Say this is the first program we are typing. So whenever you are saving, you have to see that we should not use any built-in keywords, and the file name should start with the alphabets only. Okay, then we it should not have any special symbols. Okay, so use this and just save the program. So now program is saved. Then to run the program, here you can see this is the run button. Just click on this, the program will be run. So see, I told no, it is asking for the elements for A. So whenever you are writing the elements in a matrix form, so we have to use the square brackets. Now first I am entering the row values, semicolon, and I am entering the second row. First row values I have entered, then the second row values, then I am entering the third row values. So like that we have to enter the values. Okay, then just click on enter. Now it is asking for the elements of B. So here will be an we can enter any value. So whenever you are entering any particular element, you should give some space, indicates that that is the second element, next element we are entering. Okay, so you can give any values here, negative, positive value with 0 or 1, any value we can give. Okay, so when you are entering a matrix, you have to use first row elements, then semicolon, next row elements, then semicolon, then third row elements. And whenever you are entering each and every element, you should give a space or comma. Okay, so we have entered both the matrix. Those are the input values first we are entering. Okay, then what is the second thing we have seen? It is displaying the size of matrix A, size of matrix B. Size of matrix A is 3 cross 3, size of B is also 3 cross 3. Then just adding these two matrices, that is the value we are displaying. So this text will be displayed because we have given this text in the single quote by using the command called disp, and this we have displayed because we are using this A plus B, no? So that is why it is displaying the addition. So this is the answer for subtraction, and this will perform element by element multiplication. I told no here 1 into minus 1 2 into 2 4 3 into 10 30. See here minus 1 4 30 we got no, like that element by element multiplication will be performed, and here matrix multiplication will be performed. To perform matrix multiplication, see that the column element of matrix A and row element of matrix B should be same. Okay, since it is same, matrix element matrix multiplication can be performed. And so element by element division, then division, left division, right division. And see here, this is the identity matrix and the transpose. What happens here? Row elements will be appeared as column elements will be appeared as row. Then rank of matrix A is 3 and determinant is 6 trace. Okay, and it is displaying what are the diagonal elements of matrix A. So here see that what are the diagonal